uh, yes, Malui, I hope you'll get this video, mate. It will help you. This is the way you can access in online to in order to register. That link I sent to you, normally you can also type it as it is here in my browser. So if you type it here and you enter, you're gonna arrive until here. So here you are in the home page of UNISA, right? Now you need to, firstly you need to apply for admission in order to get the answer if you can register or not. So you go to admission and then you go to apply for admission. So from here you scroll down, you can read this thing. Me, I'm just gonna show you how you can go straight, but you will have to take time and read. This is important for you. From here you're gonna choose for what you want to register for. If you want to register under graduate qualification, it's up to you. So me, I'm showing you how to go for studying online. I don't know, you wanna do online or you wanna do short learning, I don't know. Because they have a college which is under UNISA, which is TAVET or something. So if you want that one, you're gonna go here. So me, I'm going with you here. You're gonna enter here. You can read all this also, is important. If you apply first and then you come and read it, it will help you too much. If you are going to register for online studying, and since you are going to deal with online, so you have to be familiar with all this. You have to read this, it will help you too much and it will make you easy to do anything as you want. So you are going to option 4. Because here you can read everything as I'm saying, it's important, but if you want to go straight, you go to option 4, which is apply for admission, and then you click there. Yeah, if you click there, you're going down. You can read all this here, but you have to make sure for all this the giving here is condition, checking your document and confirm that you are ready to apply the question, and they said yes, which means everything is okay until you arrive here how to apply, and then they will show the way to apply. Sorry, hope you can see now. They show the way to apply here, and then they say you can apply online. You click here, this will take you through here, and they will ask you a few questions because they don't want to confuse people. They want to make sure somebody is choosing the right option, which will take you through to make your registration easy as well. So here they will ask you if you are registered undergraduate. Remember, they asked it earlier, but they're still asking, or the postgraduate. So you, since you are online and it's your first time, you are concerning only this one here on top here. This one here, this option is yours. You're gonna fill, because if you go here down here, this one, it means you are registering for second semester maybe, so which means you have your student number already, but you don't have a student number. It's your first time registering, so you are here, and then you go to undergraduate maybe, and then they will ask you the question, do you have a student number? So since you didn't register, which means you don't have it as yet, so you say no, and then already you are about to, which means you are already in the post. Now you have to fill the information for them to send maybe in the future the confirmation that you can register. So you fill up here your surname, last name, first name, everything here. You fill your date of birth and then you're gonna press enter. So you follow the process like that until here you're going to submit it and then finish. They will have you in their database, and then they have all your information they need, because it's the same as you can go there physically and they will fill all those forms. They will tell you to wait and give you the answer after 2 weeks. So online, I don't think it's 2 weeks. It can take few days, more less than 2 weeks, and you will get your message maybe in your phone or in your email, because when you go forward, I think they will ask an email, so your phone number, and they're gonna send it. But even though you're gonna keep on checking here, remember this place here you left. I'm gonna show you in option 5 here. If you already registered, you must keep on checking, because if they send you an SMS, you have to go and do the approval, which means they're giving you an offer. So if it's successful, even here they'll tell you, when you go here in option 5, they'll tell you application approval, accept offer and register. If you don't accept the order, which means if you want to come for the second time and want to do it late, they won't allow you. You will not have access. You will need to restart everything again. So you're gonna scroll down here. You are here, as you already have it. If they confirm that you have it, you go to successful, and you just go click this link here down here, this one, which means you already have the offer. And then you're gonna fill again. This is the same thing. I don't have it. So there already you will have a student number. Here it's supposed that you have the student number. Isn't before you already registered, and then they give the success message. That success message will come with your student number. So as soon as you click yes, you have student number, you're gonna fill up now the form now for registering, and you're gonna pay online. There will be a bank details there. You're gonna click which bank you will use, or you wanna do a deposit to the ATM. However, they have 3 options of getting money, but not cash. And then you will just fill up as well and submit. That's all, and you get registered. I hope this will help you. If not, just ask me a question, or if you still want us to do it physically, like both there, I will still gonna help you. All right, thanks.